Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. In this video, I'm going to show you how I snagged all of these products completely free and made $21 buying them. Y'all, this was just a fantastic haul. So this included two different Ibotta bonuses. I had the midweek mistletoe bonus for $5 back when I redeemed 18 offers. And I finished up the Make It Rain bonus, which is $10 back when you redeem any 36 offers. Now, if you watched my videos from last week, I posted two Walmart videos last week, one on Wednesday, one on Saturday, and those hauls got me more than halfway to that Make It Rain bonus. So this haul finished it out. I am not re-mentioning every single offer that's still available because I mentioned them in those videos from last week. So if you haven't checked those out, check them out in addition to this. That way you make the most of your shopping trip. All right, so I'm going to walk you through exactly how I grabbed all of these items step by step here in just a second. But first, if you like the content of this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget I have a $20 gift card giveaway going on right now for my subscribers. If you want more details related to that giveaway, please see my CVS video that I posted this past Sunday. All right, guys, let's get into it. So first off, the Hallmark cards. So this card right here, along with a number of others, is priced at 47 cents. But Ibotta has an offer for when you buy two Hallmark cards, you will get $2 back. So if you buy two of these cards at 47 cents, you're going to pay 94 cents out of pocket. Ibotta is going to give you $2 back, making it $1.06 moneymaker. So I am going to tell you, this resets. It is reset for me multiple times. Normally, within that 24-hour period, you will see this offer pop back up again. So if you count up these offers and you're like, wait, she didn't do 18 offers, it's because I've done a couple of these offers twice. All right, next up is the Nestle Pure Life, so the 4-pack of waters. These are priced at $4.98. Ibotta is giving back $1.25, and Shopkick is giving back 800 kicks, which is equivalent to $3.20, making this 4-pack just 53 cents. It will also count towards one of your Ibotta bonuses, so a 53-cent out of pocket when you're working towards $5 and $10 back is a pretty awesome deal. All right, next up, these mixers. Here, if your store carries these 1-liter mixers, Cocktail Artist, this is a fantastic deal. So these are priced at $3.98 each, but my Ibotta app was giving $2 back on each of them. So that's more than 50% off right there. But the Coin Out app is also giving $2 back on each of them, making them completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker each. If you don't have the Coin Out app yet, I have included my referral link in the video description below. Another great deal, and this one's been going on for a while, is with the Shopkick app. So it's the Maranatha almond butter. This is found in the peanut butter aisle. It's priced at 98 cents, but Shopkick is giving 325 kicks back, which is equivalent to $1.30, making this a 32-cent moneymaker. While you are over in the peanut butter aisle, look for coupons for this Holy Rollies product. I was able to find a little pad of tear-off coupons for this product, and this morning a free after rebate popped up for this product on Ibotta. So the Crazy Richards Holy Rollies are priced at $3.97. I had that $1 coupon I found in the peanut butter aisle. So I paid $2.97, and Ibotta gave me back $3.97, making it a $1 moneymaker. Also, a Shopkick offer are these Frutella soft gummies. These are priced at $2.28, but Shopkick is giving back 530 kicks, which is equivalent to $2.12, making this just 16 cents. So that's great to stick in a stocking. Next up, and I did this in one of my videos last week, is on the Biotin mouthwash. This product is priced at $3.84. If you go to the Biotin website, you can print a coupon for $1.50 off, and Ibotta will give you $2.50 back, making this free plus a 16-cent moneymaker. Another freebie that has been in Ibotta for a while, I just haven't grabbed it, is on the Pepsi Zero, the 2-liter bottle. It's priced at $1.25. Ibotta will give you $1.25 back, making it free. Again, it's getting us towards that bigger bonus, which is awesome. All right, so this deal is awesome moneymaker. It's on Swag Bucks. You can redeem this offer once a week until it's no longer available. These Mentos Clean Breath mints, they are found up near the registers. They cost $3.12 each, but Swag Bucks is giving back $16 when you buy 4 of them. That makes these a $3.52 moneymaker. Now, just a tip from my experience with Swag Bucks, buy these on a separate receipt. So I bought 4 of these on one receipt, didn't buy anything else, and I scanned that receipt to Swag Bucks. For some reason, when I get a really long receipt, Swag Bucks has a hard time finding the offer. So I just purchased this. If for some reason you submit your receipt and it doesn't find all 4 of them, in the bottom right-hand corner, you're gonna see something that says submit request or submit for review. Make sure you click that. That way you get your $16 back for buying them. All right, another new offer that popped up on Ibotta recently is on this Alba Botanica product. So this is included in that offer. This is the face scrub priced at $6.18. I was able to find a $2 off coupon attached to the product. Ibotta is giving $1.50 back, and Shopkick is also giving back $3.20 or 800 kicks, making this free plus a 52-cent moneymaker. Another freebie is on the Afrin nasal spray. So this is priced at $4.98. If you visit the Afrin website, you can print out a $1 coupon. Ibotta is giving back $2 on this product, and Shopkick is giving back $2 on this product, making it free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. Another new one that popped up this morning is on the Secret Essential Oil Deodorant. Okay, so these are $7.97 each. Okay, so when you buy 2, you're gonna pay $15.94. Coupons.com app will give you $5 back for buying 2. That's the coupon with coupons.com. You submit your receipt there, you'll get $5 back. But Ibotta is giving back $10 when you buy 2. So you'll get $15 total back, making it just 94 cents for both of them, which is an incredible price for something that costs $7 and almost $8 each to begin with. Another new offer on Shopkick is this Goodie Bundle. And I learned about this from Amy Way to Save, so thank you for telling me about this deal. There is a bundle offer on Shopkick for the Goody hair accessories plus a Goody hair elastic. So these bobby pins were priced at 94 cents, and these hair elastics were priced at 98 cents. So $1.92 for both of them. But Shopkick will give you 450 kicks back, which is equivalent to $1.80, making these just 6 cents each. So that's an incredible price if that is a product that you use or someone you know uses. Another freebie is on these Listerine Ultra Cleans. These are priced at $1.97, and Ibotta is giving $2 back. Mine was a limit of 3. They didn't have a lot of them in my store. I think maybe they had 5, and I didn't want to take almost all of them, so I only grabbed 2. But this is a great freebie, and mine again said a limit of 3. So when I bought 2, I did get $4 back. Okay, this Pure Life tea, this guy right here is priced at $1.97. Ibotta is giving $1 back, so that's more than 50% savings. So I paid 97 cents total for the tea. Okay, these products I have mentioned before, they are priced at $3.47. It's the Hellmann's, and there's so many different ones on Ibotta. There's the cilantro lime, there's the roasted garlic, and the creamy chili honey sauce. I think there's even another one that I haven't purchased yet, but they're priced at $3.47. There is a $2 off hang tag that's attached to this product, making it $1.47, but then Ibotta is giving $1.50 back, making it completely free, plus a 3-cent moneymaker. Just know that that hang tag is a limit of 2. So I bought 2 of these on one day, and then I went back on another day and bought the 3rd one. This bread is a fantastic deal. The Sara Lee keto-friendly bread, $2.68 is the cost. Ibotta is giving back 65 cents, and Shopkick is giving back $2, making it 3 cents for that loaf of bread, which is awesome. The Stay Free pads, which are hiding over here, these are priced at $2.86 each. If you visit the Stay Free website, you can get a coupon for $2 off any 2 Stay Free product, and Ibotta is giving back $1.50 on each of these. So I bought 2 and I got $3 back on Ibotta, making this product 86 cents for both of them, or just 43 cents each, which is a great cost. The Poise Pads, again, the Poise Pads are priced at $4.84. There is a $2 off printable on coupons.com, so you'll pay $2.84 out of pocket, but Shopkick is giving $4 back, or 1,000 kicks back, making this a $1.16 moneymaker. All right, did I get them all? I think I got everything. Now, so that came out to a moneymaker in and of itself, but when I added the $5 mistletoe bonus and the $10 Make It Rain bonus, it came out to a $21 moneymaker. So it was just fantastic deals this week. As always, I've included a Google Doc that shows you exactly what I purchased, how much I paid, which coupons I used, and which rebates I got. Always know that the price in your store could vary from the price in my store. Your Ibotta offers could vary slightly from mine. Your bonuses could be a little bit different from mine. So always double check before you buy the product. That way you know exactly what you have before you go and buy something and you think you have an offer, but you in fact do not. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below, and I am more than happy to help you. Thanks, guys.